Vanakkam guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, this is Manisha. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to make this fishtail braid or two-strand braid. So guys, I know you people know how to make a fishtail braid, but I have seen many people complaining that when they make fishtail braid on their self, it kind of looks very much stick to their neck and it feels like something is stuck over there instead of looking fluffy or something. In this video, I'll be showing a little DIY how you can avoid that stickiness to your neck of your braid. It's a side braid and yeah, it will be very useful, I guess. So guys, do like, share and subscribe if you like this video. Let's dive into the video. So guys, the first step is to bring your all hair together at one side and you need this black thread to tie your hair. So we need to bring the thread out of the hair from the back side near your neck and tie it only once. That is only one knot you have to put. Don't tie it very tightly or two, three knots or a strong knot. Only a single knot is enough. So guys, moving on to the next step is to make two sections of the hair. So after making two sections, just take one section from initial section and give it to the next section which you have, something like this. Now hold both the section together, the section which was given and the section which was already there. Again, from the existing section, make one more section and give it to the front section. Now you have to repeat the same step. Again, I am making one more section from the front section and then I am giving it to the next section. Similarly, I'll hold both the section together and then from the second section I'll make one more section and give it to the front section. Now you have to repeat the same steps again and again till you get the desired length of your braid. So till you want your braid to be, you can braid it. So this thread which I tied initially. So once I took out this thread, I'll just pull a little chunk out so it doesn't look very much stick to my neck. Now you have to do is just pull. this is the final look, and yeah, I know it makes the hair look very thick.